Now we will see the next technique, that is your selection sort. Now we will see how this selection sort is going to work. Selection sort also is a type of simple sorting algorithm, which is an in-place comparison based algorithm in which list is divided into the two parts, the sorted part at the left end and the unsorted part at the right end. Again we will repeat this. This algorithm or this technique is going to divide your, we can say the array or the given example into the two parts, and the left part is sorted part and the right end part is the unsorted part. So the sorted part is empty and unsorted part is the entire list. The smallest element is selected from unsorted array and swapped with the leftmost element, and that element becomes a part of that sorted array. This process continues, moving unsorted array boundary by the one element to the right. This algorithm is not suitable for the large data sets, as its average and worst case complexity of the area of n square, where n is the number of items. How this selection sort works? Consider following depicts array as an example: 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42 and 44. Now here the first position in the sorted list, the whole list is scanned sequentially. The first position where 14 is sorted presently, we search the whole list and find that 10 is the lowest value. So now according to that, we have to replace the 14 with 10 after one iteration. Which happens to be the minimum value in the list, appears in the first position of sorted list. For second position, where 33 is residing, we start scanning the rest of the list in a linear manner. Now 10 and 33, we find 14 in a second lowest value in the list, and it should appear at the second place. We swap these two values, and after two iteration, the least values are positioned at the beginning in the sorted manner. So the same procedure is applied in the rest atoms in the array, following pictorial description of entire sorting process: 10, 14, 27, 33, 35, 19, 42, 44. Again 10, 14, 27, 33, 35 and 19. Now 19 is not in. So you can see the left part is in a sorted array and the right part is in an unsorted array, and at last we are going to get a sorted array one. So this is what an algorithm for your selection sort. Set minimum to the location 0, search the minimum element into the list, swap the value at the location minimum, increment the minimum to point to the next element, repeat until the list is going to get sort. My pseudocode for the same is over here, you can go through that. After that we have the next technique as merge sort algorithm. Now it is also one of the sorting technique based on divide and conquer technique, with the average case to worst case time complexity being O n log n. It is one of the most respected algorithm. Merge sort first divides the array into the equal halves and then combines them in a sorted manner. So how this merge sort works? To understand the merge sort, we have to take an unsorted array as depicted below: 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42.